Baby, what is that we doing today, Chef?
Shrimp and grits.
Oh, I knew it. I knew it in my bones yet. And for sure, not for true. Oh, this my favorite dish, Chef. I can't wait to do it. Come on, y'all. Let's do this, Chef.
Let's go.
Come on now. Let's go.
Cheese. Every dish your favorite dish.
I like Welcome back to another episode of Cooking Like a King. Today the chef is preparing my favorite shrimp and grits. Alright, for the shrimp topping, this is what you'll need. Shrimp, large, andouille sausage, Trinity, butter, olive oil, and tomato sauce. And for the cheese grits, you'll need grits, water, butter, and the type of cheese you'll need is pepper jack, cheddar, and cream cheese. The seasonings to make this all tasty is some garlic powder, cayenne, paprika, parsley, turmeric, and Creole seasoning. Get all this together because this is a two-part, and let's get cooking. Here we go. You know we gotta add that Trinity, baby. I told you we're gonna use a lot of that shit. Here we go now, shit. You gonna get all that Trinity going cooking good though, and then when you get all that Trinity right, we gonna go on there and add our saucy, the andouille, baby. The andouille, I love that andouille.
Get that to the...
What? Okay, sorry.
Stop all that extra stuff.
Sorry. Okay, then we gonna add that tomato sauce. You always getting serious. And that butter, baby, we gonna make like a Creole roux with that tomato sauce, and then you're gonna add your Creole seasoning, your paprika, your parsley flakes, yeah. And you gonna mix that around like I told you, sir. You always mix it around when you add something, yeah. And then we gonna let that go simmer to by itself, sir. But in the meantime,
pot there, les cheese grits.
Okay, baby. And we gonna go on to get these grits going, baby. Now you gonna put a half a stick of butter in there, and you gonna get it boiling, and they gonna get that butter on and melted and stuff, baby. And then after that, we gonna stir in some grits. Oh, you let me help, so we stir it around and we keep it stirring it around and I'm sorry, stir some more.
Just give it.
I was just wanting to help.
I'll do it. Don't worry about it.
Oh my Lord, you so mean.
You're playing around.
Okay.
Let's go talk about the cheese.
So you throw the cheese in there. I'm gonna try to do this right so I can help, Sean. Okay, you throw the cheese in there and you gonna press it down under them grits so it can melt. And I like to cut up the clumps and make it like easy to melt, baby. And then after you do that, you gonna add your next set of cheese. With this that cream cheese, baby. You gonna add that cream cheese up in there. And then we're gonna add that pepper jack cheese, You gonna get that pepper jack there now, see you gonna push in there. See it start melting on this own now, You gonna wanna stir that up. And then after we add all that cheese and stir it on and up, we're gonna add a little seasoning. Just a tad bit of seasoning, baby. We're gonna add a little turmeric to get it, a little bit more yellow in your grits, Ooh, it look good, it looking beautiful. Then a little garlic powder, baby. And then we're gonna let that sit. We're going back on to that top. Ooh, oh my God, Lord, look at this shit. Ooh, you put the shrimps in there, and you gonna put that top on there. You let it steam on by itself, baby. Come back in a few minutes, it start turning pink. When it turn pink like that, baby, you gonna flip it over. And oh, look at that, I like it. Oh my goodness, you put that top back on, and you let it go some more, baby, and then, oh, voila. Ooh, look at that shot. Come on, baby. You put that on that plate. Look at that, little so pretty. Oh, let's let bottom roulette, baby. Well, thank you there, sous chef. You have a little lanyard before we go? As a matter of fact, I do. Hey! So what I wanted to say is, that we're going to be doing another show with some grits and grits. Doug, you going to put it out here?
Sure.
There we go. Some grits and grits, which is some beef, baby. So if you can't do seafood, we got another option for you, chef. So we're gonna have that show coming, and then if you can't do the sausage, baby, you can always do some mushrooms, baby. And just for those people that can't eat meat, you know, they stop on by. Wait, they made me think of a joke.
Oh, come on. Here
I
we
knew
go.
it. Come
I
on,
knew it, man. Come.
I wouldn't let him, chef.
It's a quick one.
I wouldn't
promise.
let him.
I'm just.
Oh, yeah.
Hurry
Nah,
up.
we
nah,
go.
You want me to answer?
nah.
Who's there?
Ray,
Ray? Ray who?
your cousin Raymond. I smell that food, and I'm coming get some food.
Oh, no, wait. Cut the lights off. Cut the lights
It's
off.
a joke.
Yeah.
I got you.
God, he always eat up my food.
What
Cut off the lights.
Get the back light.
Doug,
Get-
come
get-
on.
Now.
Let's go. Let's go. It's all right.
Let's get out of
Y'all
here.
stop it.
Let's go.
Hey, it was a joke. It was a joke.
Witness the world that has been pulled over your eyes to blind you from
Yeah.